Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Now we are find the beautiful insect in beach area. Come on, let's go. Wow, ladybug, very small ladybug, very nice, very beautiful. Then, wow, lizard, very nice, very nice. Then, wow, ant, very nice, very beautiful. Then, wow, mantis, very nice, very nice. Then, wow, caterpillar, very nice, very beautiful. Then, wow, housefly, very nice, so good, so good. Then, wow, butterfly, very nice, very beautiful. Then, wow, locust, amazing view, very nice. Then, wow, cockroach, very nice. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep support.